Well, I just finished installing the rack from Flatline Van Company, and I added 2 extra crossbars. We're going to have a nice deck here, and then it goes right up to almost to the fan. The fan can't open up. Well, I decided got some nice sunlight here, so I thought I'd go ahead and get all the boards up just to let you see. This is how it's going to look. Nice big area here, and it's not, of course, not bolted or screwed down yet, but the passive vent will be fine. It can draw air from underneath. The fan will be fine. Deck all done. Very pleased. Here we go.